Welcome to Selkirk College's Kaslo Extension Center Introductory Computer course. This is going to be a brief overview of the things that you need to know to start our computer course. The first lesson I'm going to give you is on hardware. Hardware is all of the hard parts of the computer. That's the stuff we can touch. It consists of a monitor. This is where the computer tells you what's going on. This is usually an output device. That means it gives you information. Some computers are built so this is an input device as well. That means you can touch it and tell a computer things. But that's the monitor. That is not the computer. This is the computer over here. This is sometimes called the tower, and it consists of a number of things. Inside, it's got the computer. That's got all the parts that run the computer. We'll go into that in other details. It's also got several things here on the front. This is the on-off switch on our computers. If the little light is blue, that means the computer's on. Even if the monitor is dark, if that light is on, the computer's on. And you don't want to push it thinking you're going to turn the monitor on. Otherwise, we have to reboot again. It's also got a number of ports here. This is a headphone jack. If you need to listen to something, you plug the headphones in here. This is the microphone jack. That's where your microphone goes. These are USB slots. There's a number of things that can go in here. One of them you'll use a lot on this course is a little flash drive. Those go in like that, and it plugs in like that. On our computers, most of them have a CD burner here. When you push this little button, it comes out. When you push it, it goes in. So that's where you put your CD drives, or your CDs. That pretty much completes what we use for our tower. Another piece of hardware that you'll become very familiar with in this course, if you aren't already, is the mouse. The mouse, when you move the mouse, it causes this little arrow to move around. Now there will be several different kinds of pointers you'll learn about, but the first one is the arrow. And whenever you move that over one of these little icons and you double click, something happens. You get an hourglass and something happens. We had just launched Internet Explorer. I'll close it. Another piece of hardware that you're going to use a lot is the keyboard. It kind of looks like a part of a typewriter. And as you push the keys, things happen on the computer. Some of our computers have speakers and some of them don't. This one does. This is the speaker here. That's your on-off switch, and that's your volume. So if it comes on too loud, you want to just turn it down a little bit. The final piece of hardware we're going to cover today is the printer. We have two printers. They're both laser printers. This is a black printer. That one's a color. You won't use the color for a while till you get into graphics. Whenever you tell a page to print, it will come out here. And we'll cover the printer in greater detail in another lesson.